wild here. Today we got a couple of errands to run, and one of them is taking Hershey back to the vet because she needs her shots. Say hi, Liam.
Hello.
So, this weekend we're supposed to get a bunch of heavy snow. In a second. Yeah, so we're supposed to get a bunch of heavy snow this weekend. And so I want to get as much as I can get done today with running our errands. Running our errands and because it's supposed to be some snowstorm or something coming in. I don't know, but I need to get my scraper, but I also need to start the car. Oh, that's the other thing, I need to get gas. My auto start thingy-majiggy didn't stay on because I don't have enough gas. On.
You can get
yeah, but the car. Jeez, slam the door. No, I don't need you doing that. Well, everywhere I've gone so far this morning, I've gone to 2 places, and everyone is asking, are we ready for this weekend? What do you mean, am I ready for this weekend? I'm not ready for this kind of weather. Like,
of course we are.
No, we're not. So, we're going to see what they're talking about. I've experienced snowfall. I've experienced that. What is this person doing? Oh, it says school's down there driving the speed limit.
Really?
Anyway.
Really?
It's like the clouds or the sky looks
weird.
Horrid. It looks horrid. But so we'll see. So I don't know. We're off to Costco because we need to get a couple of things again to be in preparation for this weekend. We were at the vet and she's like, yep. The vet was like, you should go and stock up in case, because it's supposed to get like below freezing. I don't know. So I have to go and stock up because they have like different levels of like 1, 2, and 3 One is schools may shut down. Be careful driving. 2, only emergency. Please stay off the roads. Only emergency driving if needed. And then 3. Did I already say 3? Oh, 2 is emergencies. Stay off the road if needed. And 3, everyone stay off the road. Only law enforcement and only like medical, like workers, I guess, to maintain the road. So like it gets serious up here. So we'll see.
That's so fun.
I'm just.
I feel like right now I want to roll down the snow for some reason.
Well, we will see if we get that much snow for you to do that tomorrow. I don't know. I don't know what tomorrow is going to bring, but
Please,
this is where I need to go and get. I'm gonna have to stop there and see. Are they working today? Yes, they are.
What?
These people here. I need to have them change my fluid in the car for my windshield wipers so that they don't freeze. Because apparently it'll freeze. Because in Florida it's water-based, and up here it's like a weatherized. Who knows? So let's make a quick little stoppy poo and see what they have to say. Oh my gosh, my tush. My tush and my tush is hot.
Yep.
Don't break it!
Yep. And this is what we could do the whole time.
Can you give me the cube? Somebody, please.
Good morning.
Look.
Oh, ow! He hit his head on my knee. Are you okay? Look, he's trying. Hold it in. Yeah, turn the light on.
You need to knock him out?
Good morning. It is.
Oh, God, no, I won't do that.
Oh no, no, the bedroom light.
Is your head okay?
Say good morning, honey. So this is day 1 of, what is it called? What are we doing? Hunkering down. Bunkered down. So update everyone of what's supposed to be happening outside.
Well, there's supposed to be some winter storm matrix happening outside.
What?
Once again, I found that I'm in the wrong profession. Because as a meteorologist, you get paid a lot of money to be wrong. And I don't get paid a lot of money to be wrong. I actually don't get paid at all when I'm wrong in my line of work. So, yeah, that's what's happening.
So it's supposed to be like, they said it's supposed to snow all day today, and
Temperature's gonna drop. We're gonna have some sub-zero temperatures with wind chill.
Shelved it.
so
Y'all know what sub-zero means?
Yes.
a lot of snow.
Mortal Kombat.
Yes, he is a character in Mortal Kombat.
So Mortal Kombat's supposed to be visiting because we're having sub-zero temperatures.
It's gonna be Mortal Kombat outside.
I don't know. Anyway, it's yeah. So that's what today is. So today's vlog is today's family vlog.
And then watch me solve this while I'm on.
Is what are we gonna do today?
You may have to Google what to do in Ohio in your apartment.
Well, we've got plenty of food.
Yes.
Yeah, because my wife went out and thought she was feeding an army.
That's just how I shop back at home. Anyway, so
That is true.
I
That is true.
went grocery shopping yesterday
Crazy.
and just
Went crazy.
no, I stocked up the food. Everyone's like, bunker down.
Bunker down for a day and a half, not for a month.
Well, I don't. Anyway,
We're set for like a few weeks. So unless
No,
we
we
sit
won't.
there and eat
Y'all
it.
will go out and buy some more food.
anyway,
We'll probably be done in
So.
about probably mid next week.
is the coffee ready?
The coffee's just about ready, yeah. Lynn, I need your Franken beans off my neck. Okay,
Yep,
slide
peeing,
down.
peeing.
Don't jump.
Peeing,
Just slide
peeing.
down. Come on.
I
need to
just
go
saw-
get your mom's car.
Japan.
I'm probably gonna lay in it.
What a big baby. What a big baby. Where are you going?
She
Where
doesn't
you-
like being on her back for a while.
Well, too bad. I'm your mama. I'm your mama. Anyway, so let's get up here because I could keep sleeping. So my alarm got me up because it's 10:27. My alarm actually went off at 7 this morning. I got up, brushed my teeth, took my meds, but because the husband was still asleep, I'm back to bed. Guess this is what it looks like. Oh my goodness. I'm not walking. I'm floating. I'm floating. No snow. Are you taking Pin Pin outside? Okay. Oh, update on Hershey's ear. Great. She's doing really good.
Pretty sure she didn't ask to be in the vlog.
Hi, Hershey girl. Hiya, Hershey girl. Let's see. Well, we do need to clean it though.
Yeah, we'll figure that out this weekend. I gave you a large cup, alright?
That's perfection.
Wonderful. Wonderful.
Perfection.
Can I get a...
So, the snowstorm is in full swing, you guys. These, let's see if I can catch one. They melt the minute they touch my hand. Catch. Gimme, come here. Well, melts the minute it touches. Look at that, guys. The sidewalk was visible. It looked like someone actually tried to shovel it. Key word is try. Even as crazy this may seem to a lot of people, and the people that live here don't like it, it's actually very pretty. My car, I don't know if you guys can see. Right there. It's covered again.
Wrong way. Look how many cars I have. Only 10 more. My favorite is this one. And this one. Check out my cool Lamborghini. This one has to be my favorite Lamborghini. Red. On here it kind of looks orange, but I like the gold.
It's snowing. Is it snowing? No, a lot.
And then
Alright,
the gold.
Pin, come here.
And then the gold. Gold, black, and red. Looks pretty cool.
Wait, Pin.
Look at the tires.
Wait.
And the new one that Uncle Derek gave me.
Okay.
This one. Watch this. You can put stuff in it. I realized that I can't.
What have we done all day? We've chilled out. Really, Liam?
What we gonna do tomorrow, too?
We have chilled out. Daddy-O actually stepped out to go and help out a friend. And I said, you can go. I stayed home. But we have done nothing. And I'm okay with that. Well, I actually kind of straightened up the room a little bit. I'm about to go clean up the living room and clean up the kitchen, but I wanted you guys to see this. So, funny how I made fun of the weatherman earlier, but this is out the back window. Them flakes are big. And it's supposed to snow. Let me get my phone. Where's my cellular device? So, here is the weather. So, it's supposed to snow 100%. What's the 100%? The 100% stops at 3 a.m. And then it continues, it stops, and then it continues. That's how far it goes. But look at this! Are you flipping kidding me? Mercy. Lord, it's a beautiful, thank you for giving us this. But this is way too much snow.
Alright, what?
Oh, God.
I'm gonna do it!
How cold? I'm tired.
Go ahead, Lee, I'm doing.
What?
Oh my gosh, my fingers are frozen.
You're gonna fall. Just fall back.
Just fall back, Lee.
All the way down.
I think so!
Go ahead. Do it. Can you move?
Yeah!
You're so silly.
It's harder than you think.
Leg it. This should be my exercise for the week. Come out here and do snow angels.
My hands!
My hands are frozen.
I'm not gonna be able to move my feet.
That was a good throw.
Making me a fork.
I just have unlimited snowballs!
Half of those are misses.
Oh, really? Cuz,
Was that you?
oh, jeez.
I want to disintegrate. Come on.
Yeah, this is crazy. So now we're taking advantage of it and playing outside. And the kids are enjoying snowball fights while the husband is shoveling because he's such a great person. But I'm going to give you guys kind of like, so you guys can see the amount of snow that we got. This is insane. Look at this. Oh yeah, they are, but still. Oh my gosh. Go play.
Wait, where are those going?
You better not. I knew it. She's peeing in the snow. She could have gone in there.
Gate's closed.
Just stay away from the pee.
See it. Let's get the day.
He's so bad.
Fox 47 News reporting live from the center of the storm. As you can see, the mountains are about as high as the Alps. The snow is falling down, record lows, record falls of about 15 inches a minute. As you can see, the little chocolate kids have already been delusional. They're outside throwing snow ice. I don't know if we can take it much longer. Hold on, here comes a gust. Oh. We aren't going to be able to take it anymore. We've got to seek shelter.
Yeah, I'm cold. I'm done. I'm going inside. There's a lot of snow playing, and I hope you guys, as confusing as this vlog is, today was just a happy family day, even though we were trapped in. It's funny because you don't really know what to do when you don't have anything to do. So we rented some movies yesterday and we kind of just hung out, and because we couldn't really leave the apartment yesterday because it was snowing so bad, as you guys can see the aftermath. But now we are out here playing, or were, because I'm going back inside. And we're gonna go and warm up. I'm gonna have my second cup of coffee to warm my insides and just enjoy the rest of the day again. So I hope you guys like this video. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Hope I don't have any runners. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video of us just playing in the snow and prepping for this snowstorm. Did a bunch of groceries on Friday and hanging out with the fam yesterday and today. So hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bunch of love and God bless. Say bye, honey.